9 times 1 is 9. Counting stars that shine. 9 times 2 is 18. Let's keep the classroom clean. 9 times 3 is 27. Numbers take us straight to heaven. 9 times 4 is 36. Let's play with number tricks. 9 times 5 is 45. Clap your hands and come alive. 9 times 6 is 54. Count and dance a little more. 9 times 7 is 63. Say it loud. 1, 2, 3. 8 is 72. Math is fun for me and you. 9 times 9 is 81. Learning tables is so much fun. 9 times 10 is 90. You did it right and mighty.